Here in Thailand, so when Australia come up against Thailand, you'll be able to pick all those combinations apart. This could be the longest point ever.
18 years of age. Here he is now feeding from deep in the court. You can see he's doing enough. He's getting the ball right where Saiful Rajal needs it.
I think Thailand will be pleased with the fact as well. Obviously, we were saying earlier that they lost that final in Malacca, so they are equal top with Malaysia. 2 events into this 4 events Istar Super Series 2014-2015. So every ranking point counts from here on in. They've brought a good 5-man regu and they used all 5. They started off with Kritsanapong. Time around, Siddhawasaka keeps it alive, Tawisa Kongsai. Oh, what a block from Hanafiya Dollar. But the point goes to Thailand, and they're buzzing after that point.
Well, this is unusual. This is incredible. It was a good pickup and set from Siddhawasaka. But what is going to be interesting is because even though the feeding may not be as good, and that is unbelievable.
And then 4 spikes. In terms of the statistics, Sittipong 15 from 19 from the circle, 79% success rate. Kritsanapong was 100%, 12 out of 12. I think where Indonesia struggled, it was probably from the Tekong circle. Shamsul Akmal came on just 3 from 6. We saw him struggling towards the end after Victor. 83% success rate, but you need far more than that. You need to be at your perfect best when you're playing the likes of Anuwat Chaichana, who we're seeing here with his spike.
โยนรัสดีเสิร์ฟไปสิทธิพงศ์โอ้โหแม่มันล้นไปนิดนึงครับต้องแก้แล้วครับมาเลเซียมีโอกาสที่จะได้คะแนนสุภชัยยังบล็อกได้อยู่แล้วก็แต่มาอัดแล้วบาฮอนเปิดได้สมพรลงมาแล้วครับแล้วก็โป้เป็นมาเลเซียขึ้นฟ้าคะแนนนี้เกือบไปครับสมพรเกือบขึ้นมาบล็อกได้ครับ
นี่ครับดูครับจังหวะนี้ครับแล้วไปโดนเข้าไปที่หน้าของช่างภาพครับไม่ได้ตั้งใจครับตาอยู่ที่ลูกแล้วก็เท้ามันต้องไปทางนั้นจริงๆครับ
ยืนรออยู่ในวงกลมอย่างเดียวเป็นรอผม